Hi guys, welcome to 6th grade, chapter 4, lesson 4. We're going to go ahead and get started with number 2. So it wants you to compare two sets of ratios and see if they're equivalent. Well, if you'll remember, last time we did cross diagonally multiplied and decided if they were equal. Okay, so it says Lisa and Tim make necklaces. Lisa uses 5 red beads for every 3 yellow beads. Tim uses 9 red beads for every 6 yellow beads. Is the ratio of red beads to yellow beads in Lisa's necklace equivalent to the ratio in Tim's necklace? So we're going to cross multiply. Oh, sorry, that's 27, not 18. Okay, and 5 times 6 is 30. So no, and your work is sitting right there. Okay, all right. So now we're going to do the same thing. Okay, 5 times 8 is 40. 4 times 10 is 40. Yes. Okay. I'm going to do that last one. Okay. 10 times 12. We just add a 0 on the end of that 12 for 120. And 7 times 15 is 105. It's okay if you have to do a little bit of math over here. Okay. No, they're not equivalent. And your work is right there showing. Okay. All right. So we're going to go over to the back. I guess I'm turning my other pages too. Okay. Okay, this is the fastest and easiest way I can tell you to see if they're equivalent. Okay. Okay. Ms. Saad distributes pencils and paper to students in a ratio of 2 pencils for 10 sheets of paper. 3 of these ratios are equivalent to 2/10. 1 is not. Okay. So let's go ahead and that's from last time. And we're going to write down 2/10 and 1/5. We're going to write down 2/10 4 times here, since there's 4 of those. Okay. 7 15ths, 4 20ths, and 8 40ths. Okay. So now we're going to see if they're equivalent. Ready? Let's do it. Okay. So 10 times 1 is obviously 10. And 2 times 5 is also 10. So 1/5 is equivalent. So which one is not equivalent? So we're just going to circle the one that is not equivalent. Okay. All right. So 7 times 10 is 70. And 2 times 15 is 30. Oh, we know which one is not equivalent. Okay. And it says which one is not equivalent. So there's only going to be one of them, so I don't actually need to do the other math. Okay. Okay. Boom. Okay. Keith uses 18 cherries and 3 peaches to make pie filling. Lena uses an equivalent ratio of cherries to peaches when she makes pie filling. Lena can use a ratio of 21 cherries to 6 peaches. So let's find out. Okay. 18 cherries, 3 peaches, 21 cherries to 6 peaches. So let's find out. Okay. All right. 3 times 21, I'm going to get 63. Okay. I know that because 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 2 is 6. Okay. Now, this one is going to be a little more challenging for us, but 6 times 8 is 48, and 6 times 1 is 6, plus 4 is 10. So, no, and your work is right there. Okay? Write down your work. It's important. Okay? I totally just did your lesson check for you. Look at that. Okay. What is the quotient, which just means the answer to a division problem, of 3 over 20 divided by 7 over 10? So 3 over 20 divided by 7 over 10. So in division of fractions, we keep, we change, and we flip. Okay? So 10 goes into 10 once, 10 goes into 20 twice. I'm not going to be able to reduce anymore, so I'm going to get 3 times 1 is 3, and 2 times 7 is 14. 3 is prime, so I can't reduce it even. So 3 over 14. Okay, write your work down. Okay. Which of these numbers is greater than negative 2.25 but less than 1? Okay, well, any number that's positive is not going to be less than negative 1. 0 is neutral. That's not going to be it. Okay, well, 2.5 is going to be more negative than 2.25, and we want it less than, well, it says greater than 2.25, but less than negative 1. So closer to 0. Okay, so we have 0. There's negative 1.5. There's negative 2.5. So greater than means closer to 0. And it's still less than negative 1. Okay, so you're going to have negative 1.5. Okay, all right. Alicia plots a point 0, 5, and 0, negative 2. What is the distance between the 2 points? So 0, 5, 0, negative 2. Remember, we cross off the ones that are identical, and when we have a positive and a negative, we add them together, so we have 7 units. Okay. All right. Martin sees these stickers in a craft store. What is the ratio of clouds to sun? Well, clouds, there's 3 of them, and the sun, there's 2. 3 to 2. That's it, guys. All right, thanks for hanging out for 4.3. Come back for 4.4. We will see you soon. Oh, that was 4.4. Come back for 4.5.